Okay, continuing on, we want to look at some of the other features in this area of the dimensions options. So we're going to go down here to the active point, and as you can see, it's grayed out right now because none of the points are selected. But if I go over and select a point, you can see it shows you that right now this point is at 0, 0 in its coordinates, and it's the marker step, and the index is 1, and that's our active point. And our Y direction is locked to the bottom and locked to the left. So let's check out this point over here, and we can see that it shows our X direction from the 0 coordinates is 300, and we're still at 0 on our Y direction. Now, if I add a flap again, let's just do that so we can see. Now I can go to this point, and you'll notice that when I added a flap, I added a section, and now we have an active section as well. But still looking at the point, let's continue looking here. If I click on this point, it's going to tell us that this is the border step, and that we're in the X direction, we're still 0, but we're 216 millimeters in the Y direction. And the same, if we go to this, we're 300 in the X direction and 216 in the Y. These dimensions are important because you can change them and change the shape of the flap. If you needed to do some fine-tuning adjustments, this is a good way to move one of your points without with having some accuracy of where you're going with it. So that's looking at the active point. Next we'll look at the active section, and we'll take a look and see what that will let us do.